ecstasy. Now I wanna see you flex with me. Follow my destiny. Destiny.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a product review. These products are from Shea Beauty. It's a Jamaican owned brand. Sent me some products today actually, guys. I wasn't going to do this video. They did not pay me to do this video. They didn't ask me to do this video. I'm just doing it because I genuinely enjoy their products and I want you guys to know that. First of all, I want to talk about their customer service. I'm very pleased with the way that they talk to their potential customer. For me, I've definitely had an amazing experience with that. The person that I spoke to was a female and she was very polite. She was very welcoming. And she was just very nice, you know, excellent customer service. And I think that's really important when it comes down to a business. You need to know how to talk to people, you need to know how to deal with people. I had my products, they were delivered to me at my door. The person behind the brand is very considerate in my opinion. And I just really enjoy that. I really like that. And the fact that it's a Jamaican brand and they have such excellent, you know, I've had such an excellent experience with them. I'm really pleased. Not that you won't have an excellent experience with other Jamaican brands. I'm just saying, you know, I'm just glad to see our own doing the thing and doing it right. This is the bag. It's super cute. You can tell how intentional they were because little details like this and even inside the package is just really cute to me, and I love the aesthetics. So the first product is the Shea Beauty Herbal Hair Growth Oil. It has like olive oil, castor oil, lavender oil, eucalyptus oil, among other things. Now this is multi-purposeful. You can use it for your hot oil treatments, to take down your twists, and to also oil your scalp. I really don't remember what this smells like. Okay, so it does have a herbal scent. I'm not necessarily pleased with the scent, but it's not horrible. I mean, you can wear it outside if you just put it on today and you can go outside with it without any type of issues. It's strong, so for those who do have like sensitivity like with hair products, this probably not be the product for you. I'm not a big fan of oils in general. For me, I just add the oil to my hair after I wash it like once a week, and then I'm not a really big fan of oils, or I would use it when I'm taking out my twist outs or braid outs. That's just me, guys. Like I know other naturals, they use oils they apply oils to their scalp like 3 times a week. For me, I cannot do that. I have a lot of sebum on my scalp. My scalp produces a lot of sebum, which is the natural oils on your scalp, and therefore if I add oil on top of oil, my scalp will just be itchy. Next up is the Tropical Mango Shea Hair Cream. Now the main ingredient is shea butter, and honestly guys, I love the viscosity of this product. It's really thick and it really helps to detangle my hair. It moisturizes the crap out of my hair, guys, and I love the scent. It has a citrusy scent to it. So far it is my favorite. I cannot say it's my favorite right now because I haven't tried the leave-in, but it is my favorite so far. I love this cream. It melts in my hair like butter, mango butter. Honestly, I really love it, and also it adds shine to my hair. I really love the smell. It smells like sweet. I can smell the shea butter and I can smell the sweet mango fragrance coming from it. When I rub it in my hands, it turns into an oil, and I just really like it. It really applies well to my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys. When I rub it, it turns into an oil. I do sometimes use this to take down my hair, so it's kind of like a 2-for-1 honestly. This is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. In terms of the size, it's probably kind of a bit too small. I don't know. When I buy my regular hair cream, I think that's the only con, I guess you would say, is that it's not big enough. Okay, it's not big enough. It should be holding a lot more. I'm not sure if they do have bigger sizes. They probably do, and I don't know. But if they do, I will definitely let you guys know and show you guys the prices for that. And lastly, we have the Shea Beauty Island Aloe and Passion Leave-In. Now, this is the new member to the crew, guys. Now, this is actually made up of aloe vera, so it's not water, guys. It's aloe vera juice, which I honestly thought it was. Saw this product in terms of its consistency, I was a bit scared because I thought it was just too liquidy for my liking. It is mainly for moisturizing, strengthening. Now, all of these products are made up of natural ingredients, so it's recommended that you keep it
in a cool place just to preserve it.
So this has a plethora of ingredients in it. So far I'm seeing organic aloe leaf juice. It has vitamin E. Some of these ingredients I cannot pronounce. It also has hydrolyzed wheat protein, among other things. I'm kind of nervy about this one because I'm used to my leave-ins being more thick, more on the thicker side, because that really helps to moisturize the crap out of this type of hair. Okay, I have type 4 hair that is thick. I'm kind of nervy about this, but nevertheless I'm going to try it out just as how I tried out the rest of the products. This is also an 8 fluid ounce bottle. That is all I have for you guys today. I really did enjoy doing this video. As I said, I was not paid to do this. I wasn't asked to do this. This is just my genuine feedback of the products, and I will also be giving you guys updates how the leave-in conditioner worked with the rest of the products. I did say that I was nervous about using the leave-in conditioner, but I'm gonna be more hopeful. Why? Because usually when you use products that are made to work with each other, when you use them together, it works better. I really do like this brand. I really do like their products. I love what they stand for, and I love how they represent themselves. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and until next time guys, bye.